Imagine a stone that has the power to unlock the doors to your financial success. This isn't magic or a fairy tale, it's ancient wisdom, tested and proven over centuries. Cultures around the world have their own secrets about minerals believed to attract wealth, success, and prosperity. But which ones truly work? Have you ever wondered why some people, surrounding themselves with specific stones, seem to bathe in luck, while others continue to struggle for every penny? In this video, we're revealing the secrets of the energy within stones that can transform your life. You'll discover which minerals are known as stones of wealth and why they are embraced by successful people worldwide. Stay with us to the end to uncover practical tips you can start using today to harness their power. Are you ready to unlock the hidden forces of nature? Let's get started. Part 1. The energy of stones and their impact on wealth. Stones are more than just beautiful decorations or natural wonders. They are pieces of the earth itself, formed over millions of years by the forces of nature. Each mineral carries a unique vibration, an energy that can influence a person and their destiny. Many ancient philosophies, including Buddhism, teach that the external world reflects our inner energy. If you wish to attract wealth and abundance into your life, you must first align your energy with the harmony of nature. Why stones? Ancient sages and scientists believed that minerals act as reservoirs of the earth's power, functioning as energy batteries. Buddhist wisdom teaches us, everything you seek in the outer world already exists within you. Stones help awaken this inner power, tune your consciousness to the right vibrations, and lead you toward abundance. Energy and the power of intention. You don't need to be a mystic to recognize that your thoughts and energy shape your reality. Surrounding yourself with symbols of wealth can shift how you perceive yourself, altering your habits, thoughts, and actions. Stones act as anchors. Every time you look at them or hold them, they remind you of your goals. Scientific studies show that interacting with natural materials like minerals can reduce stress levels and improve focus. A calm and focused mind is the first step on the path to wealth. Buddhism teaches us that it's not the object itself that matters but the energy we associate with it. Stones won't magically bring money if you simply carry them in your pocket. However, if you work with their energy, meditating and focusing on your goals, they can become a powerful tool for transformation. Why wealth? Every stone radiates its own unique vibration. Some are charged with protective energy, others attract love, and some help unlock creativity. But there are specific stones traditionally associated with prosperity. These minerals hold a unique energy of abundance. Their vibrations enhance self-confidence, remove fears about money, and help you align with prosperity. As Buddhist wisdom reminds us, wealth begins not in the wallet but in the heart. When you surround yourself with such stones, you are tuning your subconscious to a new frequency. They help you overcome internal barriers and believe that you are worthy of financial freedom. How does this work in practice? Imagine starting each day with a meditation while holding a stone that symbolizes wealth. You're not just thinking about money, you're creating a vivid image of your financial goal. The stone becomes your guide, helping you focus your energy and direct it toward your ambitions. The ancient sages said, if you believe that wealth will come to you, it is already on its way. Stones amplify this belief, turning it into a part of your reality. But remember, the energy of a stone is not a magic wand, it's a tool. Your intentions and actions are what set the process of change in motion. The stone simply helps sustain that process, infused with the power of nature. The energy of stones, then, is more than a legend, it is a powerful tool that can work in harmony with your consciousness. In the next part, we'll reveal specific minerals that are known to attract wealth and share how you can use them in daily life to begin your journey to prosperity. Ready to learn more? Let's dive into the top 5 stones that could transform your destiny. Part 2. Stones that attract wealth, top 5 minerals. Each stone carries a unique energy, but some are especially known for their ability to attract abundance and financial success. These minerals have been revered in various cultures as symbols of prosperity, and even today, they help people focus on their goals and tune their minds to the frequency of wealth. Let's explore the mysteries of 5 stones that can transform your life. Citrine, the stone of solar prosperity. Citrine is often called the stone of luck and money. Its vibrant yellow hue symbolizes the sun, warmth, and abundance. In ancient times, merchants would place a piece of citrine in their cash drawers, believing it attracted customers and protected against financial loss. This stone radiates energy of optimism and confidence, helping its owner overcome doubts and fears. Buddhist wisdom says, prosperity begins with an inner light. Citrine amplifies this light, filling you with energy for action. It's worn as a talisman or placed in workspaces to stimulate creativity and financial intuition. Malachite, the guardian of wealth. With its deep green swirls, malachite symbolizes nature's wealth and harmony. This stone is known for its ability to protect its owner from negative energy and aid in making wise decisions, especially regarding finances. In Buddhism, green represents balance and renewal, making malachite an ideal companion for those seeking financial stability. It's believed that malachite helps release fear of risks and opens new opportunities. Its energy is often connected to the heart chakra, enabling individuals to feel their worth and confidence in success. Jade, the stone of wealth and wisdom. Jade has long been a symbol of prosperity and high status in Asian cultures. This stone is revered for its ability to bring luck and strengthen inner harmony. Buddhism teaches, those who are in harmony with themselves attract abundance. Jade helps its owners focus on long-term goals, avoid impulsive decisions, and build wealth on a solid foundation. It is often worn as jewelry or used in meditations to achieve inner peace and clarity. Pyrite, the stone of gold. Pyrite, commonly known as fool's gold, has been associated with wealth due to its metallic shine resembling real gold. This stone radiates energy of determination and ambition. It helps banish laziness and fear of failure, motivating action. Pyrite is perfect for those feeling stuck in life. As Buddhism reminds us, stagnation is an illusion. Movement begins with a single step. Pyrite inspires these steps, filling its owner with confidence and drive. Tiger's Eye, the keeper of luck. Tiger's Eye is a stone that combines the energy of the earth and the sun. Its golden brown shimmer symbolizes strength, protection, and good fortune. This mineral helps its owner maintain mental clarity, stay focused on goals, and avoid distractions. Tiger's Eye is especially beneficial in situations requiring strategic thinking. Buddhism reminds us, to see clearly is to act wisely. This stone helps its owner recognize opportunities even in challenging circumstances. How to choose your stone. Each person is unique, and not every stone will resonate with everyone. When choosing a mineral, pay attention to how it makes you feel. If a stone feels right to you, its energy will likely be the most effective. You can wear these stones as jewelry, keep them on your desk, or use them during meditation. The key is to establish a connection with them. Buddhist mindfulness practices can help you sense how the stone's energy aligns with your inner strength. Bridging ancient wisdom and modern life. Stones are more than just beautiful accessories. They connect us to nature's energy, amplify our intentions, and help us achieve our goals. However, as Buddhist wisdom reminds us, a stone is a tool, but the path to wealth begins with your actions. These 5 stones are just the beginning of your journey. In the next part, we'll discuss practical ways to use these minerals in your daily life so they can truly work toward your prosperity. Don't go anywhere, there's much more to come. Part 3. Practical tips for using stones to attract financial success. The power of stones lies not just in their energy but in how we interact with them. As Buddhist wisdom teaches, action gives meaning to intention. To turn these stones into your allies on the journey to wealth, you must use them purposefully. Let's explore practical steps to activate their energy and channel it toward financial success. 1. Building a connection with the stone. Every stone possesses a unique vibration, but for it to work in your favor, you need to establish a bond with it. This connection begins at the moment of selection. Hold the stone in your hand, feel its texture and temperature. Close your eyes and tune into your sensations. If you feel warmth, calmness, or even a slight tingling, it might be a sign that the stone resonates with you. Mindfulness, a core Buddhist practice, can be instrumental here. Take deep breaths, center yourself in the present moment, and imagine the stone's energy intertwining with your own. This is the first step toward a harmonious relationship with your chosen stone. 2. Meditating with stones. Meditation is one of the most powerful ways to unlock the potential of minerals. Buddhism teaches that meditation clears the mind and helps us focus on our true goals. Stones can serve as conduits for this energy. Take a stone like citrine, known for attracting financial luck. Sit in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Hold the stone in your hands or place it before you. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and visualize the stone's energy entering your body, enhancing your determination to achieve wealth. Create a vivid image of your success. Imagine money flowing into your life and your financial goals becoming reality. After the meditation, the stone will serve as a reminder of these images, anchoring your focus and intentions. 3. Placing stones in your home and workspace. Your home is a reservoir of energy, and placing stones in strategic locations can harmonize energy flows and attract abundance. Wealth Corner. According to Feng Shui, the southeast part of your home is associated with prosperity. Place pyrite or tiger's eye in this area to amplify financial energy. Work desk. A citrine or malachite on your desk can boost focus, reinforce confidence, and attract successful business opportunities. Entrance. Positioning a jade stone near the entrance acts as an energetic guardian, inviting positive vibes while repelling negativity. 4. Wearing stones as talismans. Buddhist philosophy emphasizes the importance of a personal connection to the objects we carry. Wearing a stone as jewelry transforms it from an accessory into a constant source of energy that accompanies you throughout the day. Choose a piece of jewelry with a stone that resonates with your intentions. Wear a tiger's eye bracelet to maintain clarity and motivation. A malachite amulet can help you make wise decisions, especially financial ones. A jade pendant symbolizes harmony and prosperity, offering a sense of balance. Remember that such talismans require regular energetic recharging. Cleanse the stone under running water or recharge it in sunlight to ensure it continues to radiate its power. 5. Rituals to activate the energy of wealth. Rituals are intentional actions that help amplify your intentions. Stones can be central to these rituals, channeling your energy toward achieving financial success. New Moon Ritual. In Buddhist traditions, the new moon symbolizes new beginnings. On the evening of a new moon, take a citrine or pyrite, light a candle, and write down your financial goals on paper. Place the stone on this list and leave it overnight under the moonlight. In the morning, thank the stone for its help while visualizing your goals as already accomplished. Daily Gratitude Ritual. At the end of the day, hold your stone and mentally thank the universe for everything you've received. This ritual aligns your energy with abundance. 6. Creating an abundance corner. Dedicate a small space in your home to your goals and intentions. This could be a place where you keep your stones, candles, and small symbols of wealth, like coins or images of success. Spend a few minutes each morning in this corner. Hold a stone, meditate, or simply focus on your goals. This ritual reinforces your intentions and infuses your space with the energy of abundance. 7. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Buddhist philosophy. When we are thankful for what we already have, we open the door to receiving more. Regularly express gratitude to your stones for their energy and to the universe for the opportunities that come your way. Balancing action and energy. Stones are tools, not magic wands. They can help you focus, strengthen your motivation, and align with abundance, but the most crucial element is your action. As Buddhist teachings remind us, the wise use tools to build their lives, they do not wait for the tools to do the work for them. Apply these tips, and you'll start to notice shifts in your thoughts, actions, and ultimately, your reality. In the next part, we'll conclude this journey by inspiring you to take the first step toward prosperity. Stay tuned. We've just explored the fascinating world of stones, each holding ancient power to attract abundance into your life. From their mystical energy to practical ways of using them, these treasures from nature can guide you on the path to prosperity. Remember, stones become powerful allies only when you use them with intention, faith, and gratitude. Now it's your turn. Share in the comments, which stone inspires you the most, or do you already have a story of how stones have transformed your life? If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next exciting episode. And here's a promise, if this video reaches 5,000 likes, I'll dive into another thrilling topic, how to combine ancient wisdom and modern strategies to achieve financial success faster than you ever thought possible. The choice is yours, hit that subscribe button and let's journey toward abundance together.